Okay, so today I want to share you my Westchester newsletter. I post it every week on Google, so you can reference it even if you're not subscribed to it. And I wanted to share it so you can see for yourself. All right, so we have here, I usually take a picture or have some kind of restaurant, historical picture, or even a comic. Usually be the first thing. This is 180 Barnes Park. There's a couple of hikes here that are nice, and this has just turned out to be a pretty nice picture that we have. A suggested restaurant. So we'll go to a number of restaurants and test them out. And then other people recommend me a couple of other ones. So El Carriel is one that I haven't been to, Colombian. And it doesn't seem like they're very, what is it called? Online friendly. Like there's no online menu. There isn't a lot of information, but I've heard of it. So it's probably a very good mom and pop shop if it's still open. Chess at Westchester Library, they have a number of different events, classes that you can see here. So I put the link and then I put all the real estate activity for that week. So the number of properties here of the activity, the most recent market report, which this one we're going to finish up and we're going to have Q2 soon. And then here I have this week's statistics and how it compares to last quarter, whatever the biggest chunk I could get together. So if you look at it, the average prices have been up recently. The price per square foot has gone down. The highest sold also a little bit lower. The lowest sold is higher. The market days, it's taking less, and the seller's market is a little bit stronger. So it's still a seller's market here, but it's a little bit stronger. Now, Miami-Dade, the median price has gone up. So it's gone up $28,000, and the market, it's gone down. So it is overall a stronger seller's market. And then the mortgage rates have increased, not by a lot, but they have increased. Then I'll go ahead, I'll add a video detailing the breakdown of the properties that sold this week. And then I usually do some more generic videos of who lives here, the demographics, the most popular career that in our area. I'll look at a couple of the properties that are for sale. I'll highlight a couple of them. I'll put the price, some more information, and then here a couple of buttons in case that one's not a fit, but you want to see more. And then I usually do a couple of my reviews and my contact information. So if you wanted to reach me, you could. And then at the bottom, my Facebook, my Instagram, and my YouTube channel. So that way it's easy. You can also join our email list right there. So I wanted to share it with you. I do it every week. It comes out on Tuesdays. And then every Tuesday at around 8:30 is when it comes out. So, all right, that's it for this video. Hope you're doing great and looking forward to having you subscribe to the newsletter.